Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we start the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So students, let's start the topic with some introduction. In mathematics, there are three different types of progression. They are arithmetic progression AP, geometric progression GP and harmonic progression HP. But in your class 10th, you need to study only first type, that is AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, so before we start the topic arithmetic progression, we just have a look on some important definition. Our first definition is sequence. What is sequence? Certain numbers arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule are said to form a sequence. Means in one sentence, sequence is an ordered list of numbers. Okay. For example, Tn equals to 3n plus 1. Okay, here we have rule Tn equals to 3n plus 1. Tn means n terms. Okay, so our first, if I put n equals to 1, then our first term will be 4, and similarly if I put n equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, then we get our second, third and fourth term respectively. Our first term is 4, second term is 7, third term is 10 and fourth term is 13 and so on. Okay. Thus the number 4, 7, 10, 13 form a sequence. Okay. Some important point to know, that is the three dot means to continue forward in the pattern established. Okay. And each number in the sequence is called term. Okay. Our next definition is progression. Sequence which follow a definite pattern are called progression. Okay. If a sequence follow some rule or some pattern, then we call it progression. For example, table of 2. In table of 2, we have sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this sequence follow the rule that every successive number or term is 2 more than its previous term. So we call it progression. Okay. Now we start our topic arithmetic progression. So let's look at some pattern which occur in our daily life. Like a girl, Reena, applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting salary of 8,000 per month. Okay, with an annual increment of 500 in her salary. Means Reena's first year salary is 8,000 and her salary increased by 500 every year. So her second year salary will be 8,500 and third year salary will be 9,000. Okay. In this way we get a sequence of Reena's salary of first year, second year and third year and so on. Okay. In this sequence we observe that the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Means if we say the difference between the consecutive term 8,000 and 8,500, then the difference is 500. Again we see that the next two consecutive term 8,500 and 9,000, again we get the difference between them is 500. So an arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number such that the difference between the consecutive term is constant. Means we can say that such sequence of number is said to form an AP. Okay, or a series of number that decrease or increase by same amount each time. Means this series or this sequence increased by 500 each time. So we call it arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we take some more example. Example first. we have a series 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay. In this series, the difference between two consecutive terms 2, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 8 is constant. Okay, difference हम find करेंगे second term minus first term करके. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So in this way we get a constant term. Okay, so we call this series or this sequence of numbers arithmetic progression. Okay, or we can say that this is an AP series. Okay, now we see the definition of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Okay, so arithmetic progression is a sequence of number in which every successive term is obtained by adding some fixed number or constant number to its preceding term. Okay, so this fixed number is also called a common difference of arithmetic progression. Remember that it can be positive, negative or zero. Okay, just like series can be in an ascending order, in a descending order and a constant 2, 2, 2, 2. This is also a arithmetic progression. Okay. Next, we denote first term of AP by A1, second term by A2 and nth term by AN and the common difference by D. Okay, हम denote ऐसे करेंगे. So हमारा AP क्या बन जाएगा? Now our AP becomes A1, A2, A3, A4 dot dot AN and so on AN. nth term की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, and D क्या होगा? कॉमन डिफरेंस सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म करके हम अपना डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हैं. ओके, सो A2 माइनस A1 इज इक्वल्स टू A3 माइनस A2 इज इक्वल्स टू AN माइनस 1. ओके, nth टर्म तक भी हम जाएंगे, देन द कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म का जो डिफरेंस होगा वो कॉमन होगा, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू D. ओके, now we see the general form of arithmetic progression. Okay. In general, we could write an arithmetic sequence like this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Means first term is A and second term हमें कैसे मिलेगा? हमारा successive term previous term में add करना है fixed number. तो fixed number क्या होता है? D, जिसको हम common difference भी बोलते हैं. Okay. So और थर्ड टर्म हमें कैसे मिलेगा? A plus D means A plus 2D and so on. Okay, where A is the first term and D is the difference between the term called the common difference. एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. Now we see one example 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Okay, in these sequence or arithmetic sequence, first term is 1, second term is 4, third term is 7 and so on. Okay, now we find it by the formula, or A is equals to 1, our first term, and D is the common difference between the term, which is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Means D is equals to 3. Okay, so we write the sequence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay, first term is 1. Second term, how can we find second term? A plus D means 1 plus 3. Okay, so we get 4 and 4 is our second term. And third term, how can we find? Third term, A plus 2D means 1 plus 2 into D is 3. Okay, so 3 to just 6 plus 1 7. We get our third term. In this way we can find our terms of the sequence. Okay. 1, 4, 7 and so on. Now some note point. When an AP has only a finite number of terms, then it is called finite AP. Okay, such that such APs have a last term. Okay, यदि finite है तो हमें पता रहेगा ना कि कहाँ पे जाके वो सीरीज खत्म हो रही है, मीन्स हमें उसका last term पता होगा. Okay, and if an AP doesn't have a finite number of terms, then it is called infinite AP. Okay, and such APs don't have a last term. ये कंटिन्यूसली चलती रहती है, कहीं पे भी इसका एंड पॉइंट हमें एंड टर्म हमें पता नहीं होता है. ठीक है, तो ऐसे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को हम बोलेंगे इनफाइनाइट एपी. ओके, सो दिस वाज द इंट्रोडक्टिव पार्ट of our chapter arithmetic progression. I hope you understand the topic very well. In next video we will solve some exercise questions. Thank you.